Yeah,
I'm not even gonna go.
He's such a pervert. Oh my god.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, go back out there and go.
Are you trying to make my face red? 'Cause you guys
I'm
are
recording it. Go.
Oh, that's funny.
You and your dad.
Traditional
You
misogyny
and your
show.
dad. Oh my gosh. Oh. I could tell you're
Then- He's like,
Are you
open
locking
the
it
door.
now?
Say, open the door.
I don't know.
How cute.
I've never heard Grandpa joke like that before.
Right?
I don't know. Grandma said that man was taking his clothes off quite a bit the last couple weeks. Put your clothes on. No! Start ripping them off. There's women coming over. I don't care. They've already seen it before.
Oh my gosh.
See,
That's funny.
That's awesome.